Hi guys, I'm Laurent, and today I'm going to guide you through everything you need to go from downloading the software up to creating your very first project. And stick around because I will also show you how you can get a free 1-year professional license for LaserMaker. First thing you have to do is to head to the thunderlaser download page and grab the version of your system. The installation is just a few simple clicks. We will speed through it here. Step 2 is connecting your machine. For this you can do it through Wi-Fi, USB or LAN. For Wi-Fi, first connect your Titan and your computer to the same network. Find the laser's IP address in its Wi-Fi setting. Then in LaserMaker, just add a new device, choose TCP/IP and type in that address. Just easy. For direct connection, use USB or LAN. This is a little bit more tricky. Just plug the cable in. This will create a special network on your computer. Find your laser USB IP address on its screen. Then, on your PC, go to your Ethernet adapter properties. Find IPv4 and click Use the following IP address. The first 3 numbers must match your laser's one. Just make the last number different. Then, set up the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Now, back in LaserMaker, add the device which is USB IP and you're connected. And now that you're connected, let's talk a little bit about that free 1-year license that we give you. For that, very easy. Just follow our Facebook page, join the community, share some of your experience, and contact us. It's that simple. Now for the fun part. Let's make a quick project. Just grab a shape tool. We will use a star. Then the text tool for our message. We will keep this on the same layer. Next, we will draw a circle around it for our cut path and put it on your new layer by selecting different color. Select and center these 2 layers with the dedicated tool. Step 4 is setting the parameters. No guessing. Just double-click on your engraving layer. Select the suggested option, find plywood in the material list, enter your thickness, and choose shallow engrave. Critically set 𝐅𝐴 to low. Now, for the cutting layer, same, select plywood, enter the thickness, choose cutting, but this time set 𝐅𝐴 to high for a clean edge. The software loads proven setting for you. For a deep dive on why 𝐅𝐴 is so important, check out our video, Master Your Laser 𝐅𝐴. And with your settings logged in, you're ready. Send it to the laser. And go from a digital design to a physical product in your hands. Your first project is complete. That's all it takes. You are now ready to start creating. Download LaserMaker for free at the link below and don't forget to claim your 1-year license. If this guide was helpful, subscribe for more. See you later, and now just go to make something.